Good morning, children. Hope you all fine. Let us start the today's session. Date is 22/9/2020. Class is grade 3. Subject is science. Lesson 2. Animals and plants differ. Today's topic is animals and plants differ. Last session we have seen living things and non-living things and features of living things and non-living things. Correct? There we have discussed about animals, plants, both are living things and some features of living things. Okay, let us see how these living things having different characteristics. Okay, animals and plants both are living things. Animals and plants both are living things and they will show the features of living things also, but there is a difference between animals and the plants. Let's see those difference. The first is difference in a movement. Okay. Next is food habitat. Next, breathing habits, reproduction, and a sense organ. We will see all the difference how they differ by these characters in the next. Okay. First is movement. How the animal and the trees movement will be different. We will see both are living, even though both are living things, they'll not be same. See, animals move from one place to other place in search of food and shelter. Correct? Animals can move from one place to other. Even we can move. See, animals what I shown in a picture is searching for a food. Even birds can fly, okay, in search of food and shelter. Okay, then is it possible for the plant to move? No, plants are fixed in a some place, they cannot move. And one more thing is animals depends on a food, but trees are not. They generate its own food. It's fixed at a point, but trees can generate its own food. Animals can move from one place to other. This movement is different. Animals can move, plants cannot move. This is the major difference. Okay, next is food habitat. I said not both not having a same food habitat. Even in animals itself, there is a different food habitat. A cow will eat a grass, but a lion cannot eat a grass. Correct? Lion will take a flesh. Cow will eat a grass. There is a difference even in animals also. Okay, according to food habitat, we will see how the animals and plants are different. Animals do not make their own food. They never make their own food. Totally animals get depends on plants and other animals. How like the horse, cow, sheep, these will eat a grass, leaves, correct? Then it will eat a plant. So it depends on the plant. Then how other animals like lion, cheetah, this bear, this and all will eat the flesh of other animals, correct? So animals get their food from plants and other animals. Okay, this point understood. Let us see next. But plants produce its own food. Plant, it will not use other plant also to eat, or it will not use other animal to eat, but plant produces its own food using air, water and sunlight. It is available in a nature itself, water, air and sunlight. Using these, plants will produce a food. There is a presence of chlorophyll. It will it is there in a leaf of a plant. It will help the plant to get a to generate its own food. Okay, then we have only green plants. Do we have only green plants? No, we have non-green plants also. In that, chlorophyll is not present. Okay, then without a chlorophyll, how plant will generate a food? There is other way. Non-green plants like mushroom, molds, okay, these are not a green plant, so there is no chlorophyll in this. How it will generate its food? This will take get its food from decaying matter in the soil. In the soil, some food may thrown, some animals may dead, or some other plants may present. So all this decaying matter, what is present in the soil, by this the non-green plants like mushroom will get a food. Understood? Animals depends on plants and other animals, and green plants will get food from sunlight, air and water. Then non-green plants will get up food from the decaying matter in the soil. These 3 points you must remember, children. Okay. Same thing, a picture I explained with a picture. Okay. See, plants eating animals. I said no, there is difference between animals also. There are some animal picture I have given. Some bear, this one giraffe, deer, horse, cow, zebra, okay, even elephant. These are plant eating animals. Okay, then flesh eating animals like lion, cheetah, fox, snake. These examples you can observe. I have given in a picture. Next, I said plants will generate its own food using a sunlight, water, and air. The picture shown clearly how plant will, it will take a sunlight and uses a water, and uses water and this one oxygen, and it will take a carbon dioxide, and it generate its own food. Okay, then other non-green plants also have shown mushroom and molds you can observe. If you keep a bread for long time, then there is a presence of small like yeast, no, that is what called molds, and it is also a non-green plant. Okay. Mm, sometimes even in a water also you can observe that. These plants will get a food from a decaying soil. Okay, all the examples I want shown in the picture. Thank you, children. Let us see remaining difference in the next classes.